is that fine for you? I do that 3, 4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Edney. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in today's vlog, we're going to be unboxing the new Denim Telfar collection. So I was able to get the medium shopping bag and the 2 hats before they sold out. So I was trying to get one more medium, but it sold. The denim blue sold out in literally minutes. So I'm gonna unbox the hat first, and then the bag. I'm gonna leave that for last. Okay, she's cute. So I got the regular denim cap. This is the denim logo hat blue, and it comes in one size. And this is the denim bucket hat blue. This is in a large, extra large. I got a big hat and a lot of hair. So we're gonna start off with this one. Let's see if it shows. The lighting is not the best. This it's not focusing. So it comes with a dust bag, and this is the hat. Lighting isn't the best, but this is the logo. This is the back of it, and this is the tag it comes with. Our denim undergoes a special wash and distress process, resulting in variations in color. These variations are intentional in what makes denim beautiful. Each piece is unique. That's right. This product is made with denim fabric, which is known to transfer color onto other materials. To prevent any unwanted color transfer, avoid wearing this product with other apparel and accessories that are light in its color. Okay. Alright. Okay. So my first impressions are that this is a cute hat. The quality is amazing. Now it says one size, so for those of us who got big heads like me, let's see if this fits. And not only a big head, a lot of hair. So I'm gonna take the strap off. Let's see. Oh, it has the Telfar logo on the inside right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. So it has the Telfar logo there inside, and also right here. So the tag just fell. So let's try it on. I'm gonna put it on, put it here. This is cute. Okay. One size really fit. Okay. It really do fit. So let me show you a little closer. This is how it looks on. Really cute. Good quality. I love baseball caps like these. So this is a 10 out of 10. The price isn't a 10 out of 10, but the quality makes it worth the price. So that one is done. I love that he provides dust bags for all of his stuff. Okay, so she's done. Now we're gonna get into the bucket hat. So this one as well comes with a dust bag, but this dust bag is bigger than the cap bag. So just to show y'all comparison, this is the bucket hat dust bag, and this is the cap. So yeah. So you guys, you know what's crazy, because the hat and both hats ended up selling out, and the same day it dropped, something told me to go back on the website, and all of a sudden they were back in stock. I don't know. So I was like, it was meant for me to get them. So originally I was only able to get the bag, and everything, like the denim blue was sold out, and I was so mad because I'm like, I wanted to get the hat with the bag. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know that. So like I said, this is a large XL, so the size is on the inside of the hat. So it says large XL there. It has the logo, the Telfar logo on the inside. The stitching and everything is like 10 out of 10, and the material is really good denim. And again, it talks about the denim process, and this is the tag, the size I got, large, extra large. All right, so we're gonna try the bucket hat on now. Where's the song? The logo's right here. So I don't know how I would wear this though, but I would wear this with my hair down. I don't know, I feel like I look like that kid from is it Code Next Door? Yeah, I think it's Code Next Door. If it's not Code Next Door, it's Fat Albert. But I'm gonna see if I find a picture and insert it here. So I don't know. No, I don't want to wear it like that. I don't know how I wear this, but I would definitely wear this with my hair when I have a washing set. So this is how it looks on me. This has to grow on me. I'm not really too much of a buckets girl. I mean, I used to be, but I'm more of a cap girl. But I wanted to get both to switch up the look with the bag. So yeah, let me know how y'all feel it. Do y'all like this hat or do y'all like the cap? So comment down below which hat you like best. So if you like this one or if you like this one. So now we're gonna get into the medium bag. That's what I'm like so excited for. So I hope my hair's not too messed up. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the bag I've been waiting for. So it's a few days before Christmas, so this is basically my Christmas gift to myself. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This right here, I see why this bag is going for $5.99 on StockX. This is so unique. Like, this is the front. This is the front of the bag. And this is the back of the bag. I love how he did this. Love how he did that. And it says Telfar. It says Telfar there. This is so beautiful. Like, this is so different. So let me show you the rest of the bag. Okay, so this is my newest addition. And she is just beautiful. Beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, it comes with a zipper. Let's take this off. Oh my gosh. It comes with a zipper. Typically his bags don't come with zippers. So it's definitely a plus. Comes with a zipper. Oh, comes with a piece of paper inside. Oh, let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to take the strap off. As I mentioned in my previous unboxing vlogs, y'all need to keep these. I used to throw them away and just keep them. So when you want to switch your bag and put the strap inside, it's easier to put it inside. So like this, see, and you can hide it. So it looks cleaner like that. So let me take off this paper. There's a piece of paper in there. There's another paper on the bottom, but I'm gonna leave that one in here. So it comes with a pocket in here. So the zipper, nice size pocket. This is where I normally would put my Telfar wallet. Yeah, it's a nice size bag. I love that it has a zipper. I really love that he added the zipper to this bag. Isn't she so beautiful? The fact that people are reselling this bag for $5.99 on StockX is insane. I think I took a snapshot of it, a screenshot of it. I'm gonna see if I can insert it here. But definitely one of a kind bag. This is definitely one of a kind. Yeah, I would definitely oh look, and on the side of the bag it has this. Oh, you can see that. I don't know what this is called. It's cute. Anything else special about the bag? Or on the bag? No. But I would definitely rate this bag a 10 out of 10. And I'm happy I was able to get it for a retail price because these StockX prices are insane for this bag. And I can't wait to rock her. I have an outfit already in mind. So, yes. Let me put it all together. Got the denim hat, the bucket hat. denim hat and the bag. So which one are you gonna try to cop next? And if you guys want this bag, if it does restock, I'll try to get it for you. Just let me know in advance. So yeah, I need to take my thumbnail picture. Let me see how this looks with the bag, each one with the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna see how each hat looks with the bag. And my hair is coming up. So this is the cap. I'm pretending to walk. That was that sound. So that's really cute. This is really cute. So beautiful. So now I'm gonna try with the bucket hat now. Where the Telfar's on it? Oh, right here. So this is how the bucket hat looks with this. So let me know which one you like, which hat you like with the bag. So the bucket hat, this, let me know, comment down below. So yeah. Look at the details. It's the details for me. I always love the details like this. As you should, Telfar. As you should. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing vlog, and I look forward to seeing you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Under you, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose?